In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare your bottle model for perfect label application using Dimension. First, we'll make sure your bottle model is correctly imported and oriented within Dimension. As we begin, it's crucial to confirm that the model has good UVs, particularly around those curved regions of the bottle. This is very important when you're looking to apply a label that wraps smoothly, avoiding any stretching or distortion. One user pointed out that issues can often sound like a UV problem, so keep that in mind. Make sure the label area, whether it's a cylindrical part or any curved surface, is uniform enough so that your texture will distribute evenly across it. Next, let's move on to designing the label graphic itself. Using a 2D tool like Illustrator or Photoshop, create your label graphic. It's essential to maintain the correct width-to-height ratio while considering the curvature of the bottle. Once your design is complete, save it as a high-resolution PNG or JPG file for easy import. I recommend adding a bleed or extra margin around the edges. This will help you when placing the label and can prevent any clipping that might occur during the application. Now, it's time to import and place the graphic in Dimension. First, select your bottle or the specific material that the label will be applied to. Head over to the Actions panel and choose Place Graphic, or simply drag the graphic onto the surface. You'll need to decide on a placement mode next. You have two options: Decal mode, which sticks the label onto the surface, or Fill mode, which wraps the label based on the UVs. For labels on curved bottles, especially if the UVs are set up well, Fill mode often provides better wrapping results. With your label graphic layer selected, it's now time to adjust, wrap, and align it for the best fitting on your bottle's curvature. Utilize the on-screen handles to move, rotate, and scale the label so it aligns perfectly on the curved area. If you're in Fill mode, the repeat X, Y, and offset controls in the Properties panel can be very helpful to fine-tune how the texture spreads around the bottle. Should you notice any distortion, such as the label stretching or a strange seam across the back, this might indicate that the UV map or model curvature is off. To fix any wrapping issues, consider diving back into the 3D tool that you use to create the model in order to adjust or unwrap the UVs. Alternatively, within Dimension, you can scale the label wider than the visible curving zone and strategically hide any seam or edge areas when possible. Remember to orbit and pan around the bottle thoroughly, ensuring the label sits naturally without any floating, clipping, or unnatural bending. By following these steps, your bottle will be perfectly prepared, making any label look professional and seamless.